John from Fruitful Acres. This area to the south of what we call the new vineyard is the old orchard. So those trees in the back there, they were here when we moved in 2017. There's Red Delicious, Golden Delicious, Empire, Macintosh. It used to extend out to this area right here. It had some Cortland and some Jonah Gold, but we inherited some pretty bad fire blight, and they were kind of sickly when we got them because it faced the predominant wind, so they were getting battered by the wind, and they kind of left to their own devices for a few years. So we tried and tried and tried, and then the fire blight was so bad a few years back we lost about a third of our apple trees. So no more planting apple trees. So we pulled up all the stumps, planted some more peaches. These are Finger Lake Super Hardy Peach. You can actually not find these peaches anymore. They're also called the Rochester peach because about 100 years ago, Rochester was the fruit capital of the Northeast. A lot of fruit came through this area. A lot of trees and different types of plants came through the area. So these are some cuttings from the front that David Schlaubach grafted for us on Lavelle rootstock. We planted them in 2023. Have a little bit of fruit. And then next to them, we have a few types of cherries. Stella, I think a white cherry variety. And then we have some Japanese plums and some European plums. About 15 different trees. And then that hedgerow right there, that is American plums. Originally, when we purchased them from the local ag extension in Monroe County, we ordered hazelnuts. But when they came and we planted them, and I learned enough about them to know that those are not hazelnuts. Those are American plums. Little fruits. They're really good for pollination, for cross-pollination. So that's good. We're going to take some out next year because they are pretty invasive and they're creeping into the greenhouse. But this is what we call our new orchard. And that's one of the 2 Jonah Gold trees we saved, which is probably my favorite apple that we grow here. So it survived. It's going to have some good fruit. Not much. Last year was the big apple year, but it's coming.